So I'm using medium worsted yarn and 5.5mm crochet hook. I'm gonna start with a slip knot. And I will chain 3. You can start with a magic loop if you want, but I find it easier and better to start with a chain. So in the third chain from the hook, I'm gonna make 8 half double crochet. Okay, so 8 half double crochet complete. Going on to the next row, I'm gonna chain 2 and I will turn. In every stitch I will make 2 half double crochet. I should have at the end 16 half double crochet. So 1 and 2 in the same chain stitch. In the next stitch 2 half double crochet, and the last stitch over here. Don't forget to count your stitches to get the right number. Okay, so the chain 2 you can replace it by chain 1 because it's not counted as one stitch of the 18, it's separate. So the 18 stitches must be all half double crochet. Going on to the next round, I'm gonna chain 2 again and I will make only 1 half double crochet in every stitch. 1 half double crochet in each and every stitch. And the last stitch, I should have the same number, 18 stitches. So Before we continue further, what you need to do every other round will be a single half double crochet in every stitch to keep the perfect shape of the half circle rounded and on the side as well. And the round of decrease, where we will make a decrease of the 2 half double crochet in a stitch. So the second round was 2 half double crochet in every stitch. Now after this round will be in the first stitch 2 half double crochet, in the next stitch 1 half double crochet, and I will repeat 2 1 2 1. So for that we'll start with a chain 2. This is the first stitch, 2 half double crochet. The next stitch, 1 half double crochet. The following stitch, 2 half double crochet. The following one, 1 half double crochet. I will keep repeating till the end of the round. And the last two, so 2 half double crochet, and the last stitch 1 half double crochet. So I'm not sure, I think I did a mistake of counting. So the second round should be 16, not 18. So 8 stitches in the first round and 18 stitches in the next round. Also the single half double crochet round is 16. So this round should be 24. So this is another round decrease. Now the next round is 1 half double crochet in every stitch. Again. So the last 2 stitches, 1 and another one. Okay. So the next round again will be a decrease, 2 half double crochet in the first stitch. Now 1 half double crochet in the following 2 stitches. So we're increasing the single half double crochet in a stitch by 1, and this is what's gonna happen in every other round of decrease. Every round we go further, except for the one with half double crochet only. We increase the single half double crochet by 1. So in the previous one it was 2 in the first stitch, 1 in the next stitch, and repeat. This time is 2 in one stitch, 1 in the next 2 stitches. The following after the next round will be 2 in one stitch, 1 in the following 3 stitches, and it keeps increasing the single half double crochet in a stitch keeps increasing every other round by 1. I hope it's clear. So here 2 in one stitch, 1 in the next 2 stitches, and again 2 in one stitch and 1 in the following 2 stitches. So the last stitches of this row, so 2 in the stitch and 1 in the last 2 stitches. Okay. And this is how you get the half double crochet semicircle for any project of your choice. As I explained, the increase happens, the decrease, sorry, happens or increase. So it's the decrease of the 2 half double crochet in a stitch and an increase of the single half double crochet in a stitch by 1 in every round, every other round. So I hope you learned how to make the half circle using half double crochet stitch, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.